we don't have enough schools because according to the government policy, every parish is supposed to have a primary school. I said we have 89 government-aided schools, primary schools, but we have 159 parishes, which means that a number of parishes that don't have schools. So there are gaps in the primary section. It is a government policy to have secondary school in every sub-county. At the moment, Bududa has 28 sub-counties when you include some of the town councils. But we have only 8 operational secondary schools, which means that there's still a very big gap in terms of secondary education.
This is our home. I mean, for us, we know the challenges of education in this region. We know how complicated getting a good education here is. We know that a lot of people are resigned to this place being where it is and not thinking that change can come easily. We don't think so. We think that this place has got the potential to do very, very well.
I will continue to lobby support from my friends in United Arab Republic, Emirates, Saudi Arabia, behind the noble cause.